Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to everyone. My name is Hina Afshin and today our topic is how to write a letter or letter writing. As you know that a letter writing is a written message from one person to another person, and the main important thing of letter writing is to communicate. Even in today's fast-paced society, letter writing still holds an important component in our communication. There are major two kinds of letter writing: formal and informal letter writing. What is letter writing? Letter writing is an important channel of communication between two people who are geographically distant from one another. In the earlier times, when the telephone or email were not available, the only means of communication between people was through letters. Letter writing is a skill that has to be developed. In general, there are two types of letters: formal, that are written to convey official business information, and informal, which are personal letters to communicate with friends and family. A letter is usually one in a series of exchange between two people. Formal vs informal language. Formal language often associated with written standard English conversation. It is signaled by complex, complete sentences, impersonality, avoidance of colloquial or slang vocabulary. Informal language is characterized by a simple grammatical structure, connected sentences and phrases, personal evaluation, and a colloquial or slang vocabulary. Formal letter. Before writing any formal letter, these three things should be clear in your mind. When do we write a formal letter? To whom do we write formal letters? For what purposes do we write these letters for? A formal letter is a letter written to a business, a college, or any professional that are not considered friends or family. An informal letter is a letter you would write to a friend or family. Now we will discuss about the format of a formal letter. At first, you can see at the right side you have to write the sender's address. At the second, the name and address of the person to whom you are writing. At third, the date. At fourth, the greetings. At fifth, the body of the letter, introduction, main parts, conclusion. The main body of the letter should consist on 3 to 4 paragraphs. In first paragraph, you will describe about the problem. At introductory paragraph, you will discuss about the problem, what the problem is, and what are the consequences of this problem. Then conclusion. In conclusion, you can give the suggestions as well. At the sixth, there is the ending. At seventh, your signature. This is another same format for informal letter. Your address, date, to who the letter is going to, whom you speaking to, dear Mr. etc. First paragraph, second, third, and the fourth paragraph. This is a general letter format which I made for you, and it could be used for any topic. It is for multiple topics. At the right side, you have to write the examination hall, comma, city A.B.C. July 17, 2020, full stop. You can write any date, and the format should be like this. You have to be very careful when you're writing the commas and full stops. At the left side, you will write the name, the editor, Dawn News, name of the news, and from which city it is published, Lahore or any city. The editor, comma, Dawn News, comma, Lahore, full stop. Then you will write the subject. After writing the word subject, you have to give the colons. the problem of street crime. For example, I have given the problem of street crime. Then, sir, through the columns of your esteemed newspaper, I would like to draw the attention of the people and higher authorities as well as towards this problem of whatever problem you are going to discuss. You have to discuss in detail. What is the problem? What are the consequences? What are the hurdles which are coming? And after that, next paragraph, in third paragraph, you will discuss uh, about the newspaper. Your newspaper is very famous and away from yellow journalism. Yellow journalism means a fake journalism. I am much impressed by the clarity and boldness with which you discuss the problem and also give a suitable solution to solve this problem. At the end, you will give the suggestions about that problem. At the end, I would like to give some suggestions which are as under. First two suggestions are common. You can add in any topic. Media should raise its voice to eradicate this problem. Government should take tangible steps to solve this problem. After these two suggestions, you have to give 2 or 3 more suggestions according to the problem. I hope that by following the mentioned above suggestions, we would be able to wipe out this problem. Yours truly, XYZ. So this was the format of letter writing. I hope you can understand it very well, and thank you so much for this. I hope you will enjoy it. May God bless you. Allah Hafiz.